Good morning, everyone. We were doing chapter 1 population, distribution, density, growth, and composition of population. In population composition, we are studying that population geography has one of the important topic. This is population composition. In this, population is divided on the basis of its different characteristics like age and sex, place of residence, tribal communities, linguistic basis, religious composition, on the basis of marital status, literacy and education, as well as occupational structure. We have already done in our previous session from this chapter about the rural urban composition of population on the basis of places of residence and on the basis of language spoken by the people in our country, linguistic composition, as well religious composition we have done so far. Today we have picked one more topic. This is population composition of working population. Population composition of working population in India have been divided into three subgroups, that is main worker, marginal workers and non-workers. In India, it has been observed that in our country both marginal and main workers constitute just 39.8% population of country. It's mean this have left around 60% of non-working non-working population, which have left a vast majority of unemployed or dependent population. This proportion of non-working population indicates the economic status, which shows there is a larger proportion of dependent population in India. Further, this also indicates the existence of large number of unemployed and underemployed population. And the proportion of working population shows a moderate variation in the country. The proportion of working population of the state and UTIs shows a moderate variation from 39 point in Goa, how the 9.6% working population, and Daman and Diu have 49.9% of working population. The state with larger percentage of worker falls in Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Meghalaya. Among the UTIs, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu have higher participating rate. This is clear in the context of our country that the work participation rate tend to be higher in the areas of lower layer of economic level of economic development, since number of manual workers are needed to perform the subsistence or near subsistence economic activities. Right now, when it's come to the occupational composition, the composition of population on the basis of the people working in different economic activities. There are three types of economic activities: primary, secondary and tertiary. In India, the population engaged in primary sector, which include farming, is 54.6%. And this way the manufacturing, trade, service or any kind of professional shows a larger proportion as well. It shows that the people working in primary sector have higher proportion as compared to secondary and tertiary sector. In primary sector there are 54.6% proportion of population is working. On other hand, there is 3.8% are in secondary sector and 41.6% are in tertiary sector. This shows that major proportion of population of total working population are cultivator or agriculture labor, which is in primary sector, who are engaged in farming or farming related activities, whereas 3.8% workers are engaged in household industries, 41.6% are working in non-household industries like trade, commerce, construction and other service sectors. And when it's come to the male and female occupation, the occupation of countries male and female is concerned. Male workers are outnumber female worker in all the three sectors. It means more male are working in primary, secondary and tertiary sector as compared to female population. This you can see here in figure table 1.4, which shows the sectoral composition of workforce in India. According to 2001 census, it shows around 54 are in primary sector, 3.8 total population in secondary, and tertiary sector is having 41.6% of total workforce, which shows in all these sector around double in primary sector and very high as compared to female in secondary sector, and the workforce who are in tertiary sector, male proportion is very high, around this is 3 times of female population. Male population is 3 times of female population in tertiary sector, right? This is all about the different type of occupational categories and composition of working population in our country. Thank you.